Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use AI to find errors in spreadsheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use AI to find errors in spreadsheet, all you gotta do is simply go to your sheets, and now if you want to use AI, then you can simply use your built-in tools like Microsoft Copilot for formula editing, data cleaning, and anomaly detection, or any third-party AI assistants like Excelmatic to identify syntax issues, inconsistencies, duplicates, and even generate fixes or suggest better formulas through natural language prompts, essentially treating the AI as a smart coworker that helps clean, analyze, and optimize your data for accuracy. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to use AI to find errors in your spreadsheet. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.